What is a theme? Hello people, in this lecture I will show you and explain you what a theme is. I go to my themes on online store and I'm gonna click on view on the little I button and I will wait and wait. I'm still with you. Okay, right over here you see that we are running Theme Fash and we have customized it a little bit to make it look better. And right over here you see that the jackets are there and the pages. So when we go back and I will explore some free themes. A theme is a layout. So it's how the way your website looks. I'm going to choose theme simple and I'm going to add simple soon. So you see that all the content stays the same, the jackets and the pages. But the layout is only changing if you change your theme. So that's actually a theme. So I hope you understand it. And yeah. And now I will wait. And I'm gonna activate Theme Simple. And you can click on Action. And then Publish. Right over there on the blue button. Click again on the blue button. I will publish. And wait. Okay. Right over here, I'm gonna visit my website with a new theme. And as you can see, when you refresh the page, you refresh it and you wait. And then it's still there. All the jackets are there, the pages are there. That's great. So it's actually changing only the layout. So you've learned something new, I hope so. Or you already knew it, then you're good. And I go to my dashboard. And I'm going to click on Explore Free Themes. And I'm going to click on Visit Theme Store. Okay, those themes are pretty expensive in my opinion. I'm going to put a link in the resources to a cheaper site, to Theme Forest. And there you can buy cheaper themes for like $80. Here is it like $180. That's too much for a theme in my opinion. But if you run a big business, it's not much. But for a smaller business, if you just want to start or something else, yeah, then it's too much in my opinion. So you can always start with the free theme and looks how your business goes. So right over here, when you click on clothing and fashion, right over there. Okay, all the themes are right over here, the fashion themes. And our theme is smaller to a paid theme in my opinion, but it's free. And we can better use Theme Fash and you customize your theme a little bit with some images. And yeah, so that's much better than a premium theme in my opinion. But if you want to install or buy a premium theme, you can do it. But it's up to you. So now you know what a theme is, and I will see you soon. In this lecture, I will show you how I make backups in Shopify. Okay, back to the dashboard. I'm gonna navigate to apps, and I will wait. Okay, right over here, I'm gonna click on Visit Shopify App Store. And I will wait. And I will search here backups. And right over here, I'm going to click on Rewind Backups because this is the only good backup plugin in Shopify, in my opinion. There are more, but this is the one of the best. Okay. You will get the schedule if you install this. If you take a membership on it, you can start a 7-day trial, but after that you must pay, so that's not good. But yeah, if you really want to back up your website and secure your store, I highly recommend to use backups. So I'm going to click on Add App, and I will wait. And I will give them access to nearly everything. I will install the app. Don't worry, they don't gonna trash your store or something else. Okay. I'll wait. And I go to the plugin. Okay, what happens if you sign up for this plan? You will get a schedule backup, a calendar, and you can back up in days. So yeah, you can select the day you want to back up, and it's really easy to use. So now you know how it looks a little bit, but I don't gonna start my trial because I don't have a credit card for this course. So I will see you soon. Hello people, in this lecture I will show you how I enable discount codes in Shopify. Hello people, in this lecture we will look at bulk discounts, the application for discount codes in Shopify. So I'm gonna search here for apps and I'm gonna enter here bulk discounts. Okay, I will hit enter. And right over here you see this bulk discounts plugin. This one is the best in my opinion, not the other ones. And I'm gonna click on it. So if you want to watch the video, you can watch the video, or if you want to continue, you can continue. And I'm going to click on Add App. And I will wait. And wait. And right over here, it asks for access. I'm going to install the app. Okay, it's loading. Okay, right over here on the blue button I will click on new discount set, and right over here you can give it a name. For example, summer sale or something else. Or, let me think. Sale. Okay, right over here you can create your discount code. And right over there, your discount. How many goes off on the product. Right over there you enter how many discount codes you have. You can select here collections and products for your discounts. You will see it only at the checkout. And right over here you can select the customers do you wanna send the discount to, or you can set the discount to everyone. So I'm going to save this and it will be added to the product. You can also email your subscribers and then they will revive the email with the discount code. So that's really useful. It's creating right now the discount codes for us. So we must wait. Okay, we're gonna wait until it's loaded. But I want to thank you for watching my course. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in my next lecture. So bye. Hello people, today I will show you how you get email subscribers in Shopify. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. And wait. Oh wait. Okay. Right over here, I'm gonna search for MailChimp. Maybe you already know this application, MailChimp in WordPress, but now it's in Shopify. So you can choose for much different things, but I'm gonna choose this one. And I'm gonna click on Add App, because you can watch the video if you want, but I'm gonna click on Add App. And I will wait, and I will install the application by clicking on the blue button. Okay, I will click on Create New Form. And I will click on Pop Over. And I will select this one. There are only 2 available in the free version. I'm gonna enter here join or discounts, and I will click on create form, and right over here you can Set joiner discounts. This is the text that disappears right over there. And you can add a thank you message right over there. Okay, if that's clear, we go to the next step. Save and continue. Here you can customize your layout of your pop-up. You can make it green or blue or yellow. I'm gonna make it green. And I'll hit save and continue. And here you can add custom fields like last name and first name. I'm gonna add first name, last name. Yes, and I think that is enough. So I'm gonna go to save and continue. Okay, right over here, it's a really important step. So make sure you've checked this box right over here. And after the user subscribes, we don't need it. So I'm gonna click on online store. We don't need that because it's a premium feature. So right over here, yeah, it pops up. That's great, it's working. So okay, and now I'm gonna subscribe to myself to let you see how it looks in the administration panel. This plugin, this MailChimp. I'm gonna subscribe, and right over here where it says join our sale, I'm gonna click on it on a little one, and right over here it appears. Okay, that's great, it's working. So all your subscribers will appear there. So I hope you've liked this lecture, and I hope I will see you in my next lecture. Thanks. SEO settings. In this lecture, I will show you how you configure your SEO settings for your products. So navigate to the product tab, and I'll wait. Right over here, I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna wait again. Wait. Okay, and I'm gonna scroll down, and right over here you can enter the price. We already covered that. So and right over here you see search engine listing preview. Here you can edit your website SEO settings for each product. So you must do that again and again for every product. So I'm gonna call this man jacket, and I'm gonna call this boy man jacket. And then for example, people search on boy man jacket on skate store, they will find your product. So that's really useful. So I highly recommend to use these settings, and I will hit save. And yeah, that was it. So you must do this for every product again and again. It can take a lot of time, but it saves you a lot of money. Okay, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. So we are now at the end of the course. I hope that you now know how to use the Shopify Dashboard and how to build a successful e-commerce store. And I hope you will leave a good rating, that will help me a lot. So we have created this beautiful website with free images, and yeah, hopefully with your products. So I hope that you have your store up and running right now, and you can start selling online. So I wish you much luck in your career and with your shop. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next course. So we are now at the end of the course. I hope that you now know how to use the Shopify Dashboard and how to build a successful e-commerce store. And I hope you will leave a good rating, that will help me a lot. So we have created this beautiful website with free images, and yeah, hopefully with your products. So I hope that you have your store up and running right now, and you can start selling online. So I wish you much luck in your career and with your shop. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next course.